一下。哎呦我的妈！哎呦我的妈！哎呦我的妈！人才。
宝宝，我他妈怀疑他是装的，我操！
这只是一厢情愿。爱情，只有你对我最好。
着迷了。
也让这里所有的小麦在整个冬天都不缺什么了。最后就是希望吧，希望明年这里所有的小麦都能够及时的得到如期而至的奖赏。这里所有的老乡们都。不一定有效，代表3种情况。
Huh?
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Let me tell you something right now. Let me tell you something right now. Let me tell you something right now. At the end of the day, I will you up. And I'm trying to be the bigger person, even though you clearly are the bigger person.
你别这样，妈，东东。
为了做进一步的优选。
咋了？哎。哦，有人。我操！汪汪汪汪汪汪汪汪汪汪 你居然没撞到玻璃耶，稀奇事。
朋友。
喂，哎。哦。
恨蛋贪吃。
What the dog doing?
这。
有没有啊？
假
？Hello, everyone. Thank you for being here today. I'm excited to share a heartwarming story with you titled Dinner Time Drama. The Cat Banquet Chronicles. If you enjoy this video, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Of course, if it's not your style, feel free to skip it, no hard feelings. Now, let's begin the story. Dinner time in my house is not simply a routine, it is a full-scale production. As the clock ticks closer to evening, my cats transform into a chorus of impatient performers, rehearsing their loudest meows with a sense of urgency that could rival a fire alarm. Each cat believes they are the star of the show, and I am their humble stagehand, scrambling to prepare the grand feast. The moment I step into the kitchen, their eyes lock onto me like tiny furry spotlights. My ginger and white cat paces back and forth dramatically, as though reminding me that punctuality is the mark of true devotion. Meanwhile, the sleek black cat zigzags through my legs, almost tripping me, clearly determined to speed up the process by sheer sabotage. The others hover around the food bowls, tails twitching, ears perked, like an audience waiting for the curtain to rise. Finally, when I set down the bowls, the chaos erupts. Every cat dives headfirst into their portion as though they had been fasting for weeks instead of a mere few hours. Their chomps, slurps, and satisfied purrs form a strange symphony that might horrify an outsider but warms my heart. For them, this is not just dinner. It is the highlight of the day, the royal banquet, the sacred ritual of cats who rule the household. Now, here is where the real comedy begins. The cats do not simply finish their food and linger. Oh no, they each follow an invisible system that seems as old as time. The rule? Whoever finishes first claims the best resting spot. The ginger and white cat, quick and efficient in his dining, is usually the first to leap onto his round cushion by the window. There he sits with the proud air of a king surveying his kingdom, occasionally licking his paws with smug satisfaction. The black cat, always distracted by his restless energy, tends to eat slower, pausing to glare at imaginary enemies or chase after shadows before resuming his meal. As a result, he often ends up second in line, begrudgingly accepting the rectangular bed near the bookshelf as if it were a consolation prize. The younger cats, less concerned with competition, flop down wherever there is space, on the carpet, under the chair, or sprawled dramatically across my feet. Each one settles into post-dinner bliss, stretching, yawning, and purring like engines powering down after a long journey. What fascinates me most is how orderly the whole process looks from the outside. They follow no human instruction, no visible cue, and yet they instinctively know the flow: eat, finish, rest. It is like watching a silent ballet of fur and whiskers, choreographed by instincts I will never fully understand. Sometimes, I wonder if they hold secret meetings when I am not around, discussing who will claim which bed and how they will enforce their mysterious first come, first rest rule. Perhaps there is a feline parliament somewhere in the house, setting laws that I, their clueless human, am not privy to. As I sit back, watching the room transform from chaos into peaceful harmony, I cannot help but laugh at the predictability of it all. Dinner begins with drama, continues with frantic gobbling, and ends with a serene silence broken only by the occasional snore. It is a cycle I witness every day, yet it never loses its charm. What makes it so endearing is the contrast between their personalities. Some cats eat as if they are in a race against time. Others savor each bite like food critics at a fancy restaurant. Some claim their beds with pride, while others are content to curl up anywhere soft. Yet together, they form a family, a furry community bound by routine, instinct, and the undeniable joy of food. Their behavior, humorous as it is, also reminds me of something important about life: the beauty of simple routines. In our human world, we often chase after endless tasks, racing through busy schedules, and forgetting to pause. My cats, however, live fully in each moment, whether it is demanding food with theatrical flair, eating with passion, or resting with total commitment. They remind me that satisfaction does not always come from grand achievements, but from embracing daily rituals with joy. So, every evening, as I clean up the bowls and watch them drift into post-dinner naps, I feel grateful. Grateful for the laughter they bring, for the tiny lessons they teach without even trying, and for the reminder that happiness can be as simple as a good meal followed by a good nap. And as I tiptoe out of the room, careful not to wake the feline royalty, I can almost hear them thinking, "Well done, human." Same time tomorrow. Watching the cat's dinner routine is a surprisingly wise lesson for modern life. In a world where people often rush from one responsibility to another, constantly juggling deadlines, notifications, and endless to-do lists, my cats remind me that rhythm and routine bring balance. Their eat, finish, rest cycle may seem simple, but it reflects something humans often overlook: the importance of fully committing to each stage of the day. When they eat, they focus only on eating. When they rest, they surrender completely to rest. There is no multitasking, no guilt about unfinished tasks, no overthinking about tomorrow. This single-minded approach creates not only peace, but also satisfaction. In contrast, many of us eat while scrolling on our phones, rest while worrying about work, or work while dreaming of rest. The result is that nothing feels truly fulfilling. By adopting the feline philosophy, we can learn to be more present. Eat with gratitude, work with focus, and rest without guilt. These small changes can improve well-being, reduce stress, and bring more joy to daily life. After all, if cats can find bliss in a routine as simple as dinner and a nap, perhaps we too can find happiness in life's simplest rituals.